Hello everyone, greetings of the day. This is Dr. Vincent Taylor and I welcome you all to another tutorial video on QGIS. So friends, today I shall try to explore a few more tools that are available in the vector menu that we have. Now the data that I have available is Assam state boundary, Assam district boundary. This is one of the northeastern state in India. Then we have the major towns of Assam state and a rail extract row, that is the railway track line that I have extracted from another source. I'll share the sources in another video. So basically, now let us say we want to know what are the total number of towns, major towns in each of the districts. So for that, what we use is we go to analysis tool and select count points in polygon. Here I'm using the polygon, input polygon as Assam district boundaries and points. I'm choosing this Assam major towns and click on run. Will take some time and gives you another output, which is basically a polygon. And if you right click and open the attribute table, it would give you the num points. Now these num points are basically the total number of points, that basically the total number of towns that exist in each of the district of Assam state. So that is one thing. Second is, let us say that you want to know that what is the total length of this railway track that lies within Assam state. And let me just show you what is the total number of lines. These are the structured lines that we have. I've extracted from OSM, and we have a total of 1608, approximately 1600 structured lines, which create this railway network within the whole canvas. But I want to know that how much falls only within the state. So in that case, I'm again moving to analysis tool and using this tool sum line lengths. Now there are two things, line length, field name. So it will be creating two additional fields to the polygon that I would generate. I'm using this Assam state boundary and not the district boundary. And the lines which would be used to give the output for this particular tool would be the rail extract. Now pro, it's my way of using the term or naming the term, because it's in the projected CRS, which uses meters as the unit of measurement. So now coming back to this part, it will be adding two more attributes, the length and the count. So we'll also be having the total number of structured lines that are falling within a particular region. So clicking on run. Now, there are possibilities that this whole region is falling under different, say, UTM zones. So we have this no special index exist. You don't have to worry for now. Click on close, and now it generates another polygon. What I have to do is just right click, open the attribute table, and here we have the length, the total length of railway track and total number of structured lines that are lying within this particular state boundary. So that were two things that I wanted to show. The other thing, what if I am willing to just extract the line that falls within the state boundary, only this part, right? So in that case, again, we have already performed this exercise, but there we did with two different polygons. Now, what are the different applicabilities? See, whatever project you are working on will be having multiple tools to be utilized to get the desired output. So in this case, now I want to restrict myself only with the rail lines जो कि आसाम स्टेट बाउंड्री के अंदर फॉल करती है. So that is my way of like executing the part. आप अपने हिसाब से जो भी आपका स्टडी है, ऑब्जेक्टिव्स है, उसके हिसाब से you have to choose the tools and execute them. So I'm clicking on clip, input layer, line length, and जो overlay layer है, the layer which I'll be using to clip this, I'm using the Assam state boundary and click on run. Again, you will get this, but you don't have to worry, and close. It gives me another polygon as clipped. So here I assume I have made a mistake. I'm removing this and changing the layers. So input layer, I'm using rail extract. This is the file. This is where I made the mistake. Line length को पढ़ के मैंने उसको समझ लिया था कि it's a line feature, but it is not. So here I have to use the line feature. That should be the input feature, and then Assam state boundary. And now let us check out the output. So you might see that we have this clipped. Let me modify it so that it be a simple line with some bright red color. Okay, and increasing the size and making it a dash line. On apply and okay. So now you can see that this is the total railway track that falls within a particular area. Now what I am observing that there is a break over here. So quickly patching up this thing, I can do one thing, base map. I can go to Google Maps and loading it beneath my shape files and quickly checking what can be done with this. So I can see these lines and I can make a quick edit to this with one thing that I've already explained. I'm keeping the snapping on, enable snapping, and start adding the feature. So you might see that there is a straight line, and here we go. So this one thing I'm making the railway and rail. So this is how we use multiple tools to execute and refine our projects that we have. So that was all for today. I hope you'll be able to execute these things, and soon I'll be sharing few of the AI tools that makes our work really very easy and that reduces our mechanical efforts to get the things done. So with these words, thank you, have a good day, goodbye.